Good afternoon, students. It is Tuesday afternoon. It's about 4:15 in the afternoon, and I have one message for you today, moving forward over the next couple of weeks, and that is for you to check your email. I have noticed, I think, three different situations today where people have been either emailed information or invited to a Google Hangout meet, and they didn't know about it because they didn't check their email. So there's an easy way to do that. What you do is you open up your app. It's an email app. Let me show you. You go to an email app. If you don't know how to go to it, you go to these little nine dots here, click on it, and there's a thing called Gmail. Go to it. It'll open up in a new window. It'll check your email, and there it is. Any information that you need to know from anybody else that's old like me or teachers that usually use email in order to talk to you and schedule things. So that's the way you check it. You can also, it's kind of an easy thing to go to this little toolbar here in the email, go to settings, and just scroll down. And in here, there is a thing called desktop notifications. And if you click on it, it'll just automatically send a little box up here when you have an email. So that's what I would like you to start doing from now on. I would like you to check your email.